Hello and welcome to Bread FC, the home of profitable traders. I am Noel, and today I will be showing you everything you need to understand about fundamental analysis. Right, so what is fundamental analysis? Fundamental analysis is simply evaluating the factors that could affect price. These are like financial statements and external factors that affect the markets. An example could be, let's say for instance, the inflation rate or the interest rate in a particular country goes up. It affects the currency pairs, and it's going to be an external factor that affects what happens in the market. The health factor of a particular country, force majeures and war, different things. For instance, let's say the US and Japan, for instance, let's say they go into some kind of war battles and all of that. The financial market between the US dollar and the Japanese yen is going to crash. So like for instance, during the pandemic, the coronavirus, a whole lot of the stock market, the financial market, they were mostly bearish. They were all going bearish, going south. So these factors are external factors that also affect the market. So you want to just be informed. One should know what's happening externally, globally, right? You can use that to evaluate what is going to happen in financial market. So different things happen, like when the president of the United States of America became president, the Bitcoin pumped up to a different level. So these are like external factors that affect currency pairs. There are fundamental tools in different sites that you can use to understand how to gauge these values properly. It's not just by speculation. There's Investopia, Forex Factory, of course, like I rightly mentioned. So there are different tools that you can use to analyze the interest rates of a particular currency previous month or previous year, and what's possibly going to happen in the coming day or the coming week. Subjectively, I just don't trade off fundamental analysis. I usually combine fundamental analysis with technical analysis to make a proper, more informed decisions. So once you go to your Forex Factory, you're going to see a series of pairs, currency pairs, and what is happening around that currency pair, be it CPI, be it PPI. There are different news factors that happen around this. There's a lot of sites currently that could help you. All right. Also, sometimes I even go as far as using ChatGPT. Just be like, oh, what do you think price is going to do this pair against this pair? What do you think is going to happen during the New York session? And then ChatGPT be like, GPP against JPY is going to go bullish. Of course, it's just artificial intelligence. You don't want to rely on that alone, because if you rely on that alone, you're gonna blow your account. Right. So once it tells me, oh, GPP JPY is going to go bullish, then I come to my technical analysis, and my technical analysis is saying GPP JPY is going to go bearish. Which one do you think I'm going to take? Pause my technical analysis any day, all day. Technical analysis over fundamental analysis. But it is just very, very smart. You add the confluence. Once your technical analysis is saying bullish, your fundamental analysis is saying bullish. Those are like a setup trades. You just go with all aggression, with all massiveness, with all level of confidence, because you know that this guy is going to buy. So if your fundamental confirms it and your technical confirms it, then you go. So if you don't really understand how to chart the chart properly or how to do the technical analysis, you can simply just visit the last video that I dropped, and it's going to help you understand everything you need to know on technical analysis. So if you really want to understand better how to use the tools, get the exact values, you can just click the link in the bio and join the Bread FC, where we'll be deciphering and breaking down bit by bit all of this, and you can see how you stand a chance to be a profitable trader using fundamental analysis. Right. So thank you for staying tuned with us. This is Brett FC, home of profitable trader. Catch you up in the next episode.